Veterans Water and Fire Restoration. We're here at a water damage that happened last night. The water came out from the sink, from a clogged sink, flowed everywhere around the living room, the hall. So we had to rip up the carpet, rip up the pad, set some dehumidifiers, fans. So I want to show you guys a little bit of the process of what we do to dry this structure correctly in a timely manner. So we had to remove the baseboard to drill some holes above the seal plate to be able to get some airflow. These air movers help the airflow and get that moisture, relative humidity up in the air. The dehumidifier that we have here, the LGR 7000, grabs the relative humidity and converts it into a liquid, which in turn dries the structure quicker, faster, and more efficiently. So here we have a dehumidifier. It's the LGR 7000. This actually sucks in all the moisture and humidity that's in the air because of the water and transforms it into a liquid to get the structure dried quickly and efficiently. So here we have a special system called the Injector Drive. This system here is to save cabinets and structures, so we're able to drill a hole through the bottom cavity of the cabinets so we can push air through systems we can't do demolition on and save the structure, and at the same time save money for the insurance company and the homeowner by saving the structures. That's why it's important to call a company that they know what they're doing for the water mitigation, because we're able to save this structure and save money of the process and get it done efficiently. Another tool that we have is a humidity and temperature pen. This explains the humidity and tells us how much humidity, percentage of humidity is in the air. So the dehumidifier could absorb that. It also tells us the temperature inside of the home, because the temperature does change. It gets hotter in here where there's water. So this is one of our special tools we use for the drying process. Here we have a moisture meter which tells us the percentage of wetness. Yesterday was 99%. Today should be lower. So we have somewhere like around 75% wet. That means that the air movers and the dehumidifier are working and we're doing a good job drying the process. So the usual time for a structure to dry should be 3 to 4 days. You should never be more on a job site more than 7, 8, 9 days. That's too long to dry a structure. That's why you need a certified water technician to make those calculations to dry the procedure in the adequate time allowed for that. So this product here is an antibacterial spray. It's one of the most important products we use. It stops the growth of mold, because mold starts to grow in 24 to 48 hours. So we want to spray enough of this so we could stop that growth. That's why it's important for you to call the certified water technician company like Veterans Construction Services, because we're able to right away tend to these things and stop any growth and any further damage that may occur. Call us anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 719-722-6200.